Hey, it's Lulu and I'm back with another unboxing. So today I just got my April Boxycharm box in the mail and I can't wait to see what's inside. For those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription-based makeup box. They send you 4 to 5 full-size products every month for $21, and that does include shipping. Each month is a theme. So this month's theme is eye candy. Ooh, that's super cute. So let's see what I got this month. So the first thing that catches my eye is this Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner pore purifying mask. You can never have too many of those. If you haven't already seen my do-it-yourself charcoal mask, definitely check that out. I'll link the information in the description box for you. So the next product that I see is by Tarte Pro Glow liquid highlighter in the color Sparkler. And now that summertime is coming up, I definitely love getting these liquid highlighters. And I don't have anything in my collection that's this color, so I'm really happy that they included that this month. Ooh, so I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that. The next product that catches my eye is this, I've never heard of this brand. So this is Ades New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. So I've never tried this brand, but I'm definitely open to it. So let's see what color I got. So I don't have a name for the color, but it looks like a rosy nude with a brown undertone, and it has a nice large doe foot applicator, so I like that. I'm kind of disappointed because I already have a lot of these kind of colors in my collection, but we'll see what the formula is like. And the next item that I see is by the Brow Gal. It's the Insta Tint for brown hair. So I don't currently have a brow tint, so I'm happy to add that to my collection. So that looks like it'll match me just perfectly, so that's exciting. So the formula looks pretty dry, which is what I look for with my eyebrow products. And the color, that looks like it's going to be on point, so I can't wait to see how that turns out. And then the last item I got is by Bicolor Pop. The Golden State of Mind palette is perfect. I love anything related to jewel tones, glitter, gold, so this is right up my alley. That's amazing. So you get 14 shades. Oh my gosh, and they're all sparkly. Oh, this is so me. Let's swatch some. This might be the most gorgeous palette I have now. Thank you, Boxycharm. That is adorable. And even the packaging is so cute. Just look at that. I'm gonna have so much fun playing with all these colors. I can't wait to get these items on my face. I definitely see why Boxycharm called this month's box eye candy, because I am feeling like some eye candy today. So this is the look that I ended up with. I am so excited about everything that I got in this month's box, and surprisingly my favorite product ended up being that liquid lipstick. At first I was disappointed because I thought I already had a lot of similar colors, but this is nothing like anything I have in my collection, and I love the formula, so I'm super pleased. So if you're interested in subscribing to Boxycharm, I have the link to my referral code in the description box. And if you're new to Lulu's Loves, thank you so much for joining me. And as always, if you love Lulu, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and share the love. Thanks for watching.